Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and in this video right here, I'm taking a look at an asset in the Unity asset store called Firetruck, also tagged as free in the title of it. So let's take a look. So the asset is exactly what it says it is. It is a fire truck. So quality wise, it's not too bad. Slightly low poly. It's not massively detailed, but then again, it's free. So I think it's a really nice asset to at least have in perhaps the background. You may find some kind of use for it, which is always good. So let's take a look inside this a little bit more. So each of the wheels are indeed separate. So you could animate those, at least to make it look like it's moving to some degree. We can see that the rotation does indeed work well enough, so that's fine. And we can turn them. So yeah, it is able to be animated, which is always good. So quality, yeah, I think it's fairly decent. Quantity wise, we get just this truck. We get the demo scene that I'm in, which obviously I always love to see, and we just get the fire truck. So there's nothing really in the way of extras here, but you wouldn't expect that anyway. It describes itself as fire truck free. So yeah, quantity, it's exactly what it says it is, no extras. So how easy is it to play around with this, and how easy is it to customize it? So if we take a look at the material itself is fairly decent. I mean, we can play around with the normal map a little bit, do what we need to, change the actual source of the, well, we can see here just how much you can manipulate it and play around with it. So I guess it depends how you want to portray this particular fire truck, and we could change the normal map to a grayscale if we wanted and make it look really gritty. Again, it's down to you how you want it to look. Also, if you apply some post-processing, it can look a little bit better than what it did previously rather than that Unity look as I refer to, but it's always down to you. How useful is this going to be? This is probably going to be useful in most games which have some kind of city. If you look at any kind of open world game, you're always going to find a fire truck one way or another, whether it is just parked up or whether it is moving through the streets. So I think it's going to be useful in a lot of respects in that kind of game. If you're creating some kind of fantasy RPG, then probably not at all. Folders, nice and neat, always good to see. Folder for each of the things you would expect: material, textures, prefabs, all good. Size is 4.7 meg, which is a good size considering what we get. So it's always good to see assets which are not overly inflated for what appears to be no reason at all. And obviously, as I said earlier, it is free. Assets do change all the time. Hopefully this one won't, because it even says in the title that it is free. But just keep in mind that when I've recorded this, it was free. Now, this particular fire truck, there is one little thing which I kind of don't particularly like about it, and that is the blacked out windows here, because it doesn't really give us the opportunity to portray realism in some sense. I would have liked this to have been glass in some sense, and you could probably play around with the material a little bit or the texture or redo it yourself if you wanted, but it just, I feel like it could have been see-through to at least put a character inside. Obviously it's not built up inside, so it's no use in that sense, but yeah, it's just one of those little things that could have been, but I guess it doesn't matter to some people at least. So, as you guys know, I don't rate assets, either recommend them or I don't. And I think this is probably going to be best as a stationed vehicle in pretty much any kind of open world city game. So I think it'll fit in quite well. If you're looking at animating it, yes, I think you can. As I say, with the wheels, you can manipulate it in that sense. But it's this darkened here at the front of the windshield, which just kind of is a little bit off-putting. So yeah, I would recommend it if you're creating a city game, just need a stationed vehicle. If you're creating anything else, then probably not so much, but it might be worth checking out the quality of it anyway. So maybe give it a download and have a quick look. So have you tried this asset yourself, guys? If you have, let me know what you think in the comments. Have you actually got it moving in your city? Have you got it in some kind of other game? Perhaps some futuristic, I don't know, first-person shooter. And if you've got an asset on the asset store, please let me know. I'd love to check it out in one of these little videos. And finally, guys, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well to stay up to date with every video I upload on video game development, including tutorials, reviews, and Unity games. Until next time, guys, thank you very much for watching.